Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to add circle crop effect in CapCut. First, open CapCut. Import the video. And click on the mask from right side. And select this circle mask. And adjust it. Now select the color. Then right click on the video. Then select create compound clip. And add it as a layer. And then import another video. And then again select the layer video. And click on mask on the right side. Then select circle mask and adjust it. Now move it anywhere you want. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.